How to change your background slash theme on Roblox. Now you're gonna need Google Chrome for this one. I downloaded Google Chrome especially just for this. You wanna open up a new tab and you wanna add this extension right here. Now for some reason it doesn't work for some people and I'm gonna show you how to fix that. So this is basically what you have to do. You have to search up Chrome Web Store. Once you're inside here, type in stylish and then simply add this to Chrome. I'm gonna remove it and then add it again so you can see how it looks like. Add to Chrome, add extension, and then this usually works for some people, but for me, as you can see, it doesn't. So how you're gonna fix this is by simply copying userstyles.org, opening a new tab, pasting this in, and hitting enter. Once you're here, type in Roblox, and here you can see all the themes on Roblox. I'm gonna click this one and install style. Once it's been added, you can go to Roblox, and as you can see, this is the style right here. You can change styles, of course. If I wanted to, let's see, if I wanted to use this one, I'll just install style, go here, and here it is. Here's the style. Now what you can do is click on the extensions button right here, click here, and here you can see all the styles that you installed, and you can make your own style. So yeah, this is a pretty good extension, and that's how to change background in Roblox. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and as always, see you in the next video.